Hello.
Hello, it's me.
Let's see.
And we have spent the day in Lincoln. We started with the castle over here.
That way, behind my head. Yeah.
I'm tired. We have walked and walked. We ended the day at the cathedral, and it has been an amazing day, I've got to say. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you like it. We have a lot more planned this year, I hope.
Yeah, maybe.
COVID
Hopefully.
willing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Okay, bye.
Enjoy. You walk through the Exchequer Gate to stand in front of the gorgeous facade of the cathedral. Building began on Lincoln Cathedral in 1072. Its history includes a fire, a devastating earthquake, a central tower collapse, another central tower blown down in a storm, and damage from the English Civil War. Despite all of this, the gorgeous building is still standing and used as a place of worship today. We got lucky when we visited because we were there just in time to join a free floor tour. I highly recommend a tour. They offer floor tours, roof tours, tower tours, library tours, historic graffiti tours, and a new outdoor tour. Our floor tour gave us insight and pointed out features that we would have never noticed otherwise. For example, the choir's screen has a chain of elephants done by stonemasons. Also, at the end of each transcript, there is a gorgeous round stained glass window. One is the bishop's eye, the other is the dean's eye. Both created in the 1220s, the bishop's eye is over the south door where medieval bishops entered from the old palace. The dean's eye dominates the opposite transept, looking towards the deanery. The guide was incredibly knowledgeable, and instead of just seeing things like the shrine of St Hugh, a former bishop there at the cathedral, we learned that his head shrine was still there, but a separate body shrine disappeared in the dissolution of the monasteries. Also, in the tomb of Eleanor of Castile, queen consort to Edward I, it's just certain internal organs that were interred here. Her body was taken to Westminster Abbey in London. I highly recommend this tour. I wish we'd had time for some of the others. The stained glass windows in this cathedral are exceptional. There is one really interesting one dedicated to a teacher, Boole, who came up with Boolean mathematics, or basically the beginnings of computer science and computers. Without Boolean mathematics, we wouldn't have computers, and there's a stained glass window dedicated to him. This beautiful historical cathedral is a must-do if you're in Lincoln.